Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from behind me today, I will be decorating the Christmas tree and I will be sharing with you some tips on how to decorate your Christmas tree. So the first tip is to fluff your tree. Make sure that you touch each and every branch and open them to make sure that the tree looks full. So make sure that you are positioning the branches to make the tree look full. This might take some time, so it can be daunting, but it has to be done. When fluffing the tree, always start from the bottom and move yourself upwards. The second tip then is to start with the lights. Once you have fluffed your tree, start with the lights. For the ratio is approximately for every 1 foot of Christmas tree, you should have around 100 lights per 1 foot. With the tree topper. So now for decorating the tree, you should always start from the top and move downwards. The reason for starting with the tree topper is because if you are starting to put on the decorations first and your ribbon and all your nice things, when you are going to put on your tree topper, it is very likely that to maneuver and put on your tree topper, you will drop some of your decorations. And if you have expensive decorations, and sometimes you might have also glass decorations, obviously these will break when they fall. So always start from the top, from your tree topper. Once you do your tree topper, do your ribbon. The same reason applies basically, because once you are doing the ribbon and going round, if you already have your decorations, you might hit some of your decorations. And last, start putting on your ornaments. So start with your big ornaments and always downsizing to the smaller sizes of your ornaments. Let's decorate this Christmas tree, so follow me along and make sure to give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Thank you. As you can see, the lights are on. With the help of my daughter, not that much help. But anyway, I have more lights than 100 lights per 1 foot ratio. I do have more. But I like the Christmas tree to be well lit, so first I went round, then I went up and down, and afterwards when I saw that, when I saw if any dark areas, I went again with the lights to make sure that the tree is well lit, and I tried to also put lights at the very back of the tree to make the light seem to be coming out of the tree. So now let's move to the tree topper, the ribbon and the decoration.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sled, Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la
So the Christmas tree is finally finished. It took quite some time obviously to decorate the tree, but I think it came pretty well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, bye bye.